The Verderflex Vantage 5000 from Global Pumps is a high-tech peristaltic pump that excels in both liquid handling and chemical dosing applications. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. With its high discharge pressures and superior precision dosing, the Vantage 5000 peristaltic pump can provide flow rates up to 6,600 millilitres per minute and 7 bar maximum pressure. The Vantage 5000 is designed around a precision stepper motor and a programmable touchscreen controller with interfaces such as a 4 to 20 milliamp and Profibus. Now, the robust design gives the Vantage 5000 a low cost of ownership, and stackable feet allow two pumps to be mounted together for double dosing. It also performs well on heavy-duty tasks in industrial, water treatment and mining applications. Call Global Pumps on 1300 145 622 to get more information, or look online globalpumps.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.